Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to create passive income from cryptocurrency. In the previous lecture we have talked about staking and which are the platforms where you can do staking with a good margin of profit. And now in this next lecture we are going to talk about where you can earn passive income by lending your cryptocurrency. Basically you fund your wallets on the platform with your cryptocurrency, if it's Ethereum, Bitcoin, or even with your US dollars or euro or pounds, okay? And you can lend them just like in peer-to-peer lending, and you can get some very good rates. So first platform we are going to check out, it's Bitfinex, and you already know how it looks like when you have logged into your dashboard. This is like the main dashboard, a lot of numbers here. And we have the wallet where you can deposit, withdraw, wallet reports. This is not so important, but if we go in the left side, we have the funding, which has funding and lending pro. And we have the more section where if we are going to scroll down in the menu, we are going to see the lending products. If we are going to click on the lending products, we are going to see all the currencies available, okay, for lending. And we can see here a few of them, and we just have to check our balances and see what we can deposit in order to lend. For example, here we have ZRX. If we check, ZRX has 3.45% per year return. Okay, so if we put this 22.97, if we deposit them in the lending account, at the end of 12 months, we are going to get back this amount plus another around 4 ZRXs. Okay, so it's a decent percentage. Then we have the lending pro function, which is a little bit more advanced. And if we are going to check the lending pro function, just bear with me for a couple of seconds. It loads. Let me just refresh it. Okay, so this is the lending pro function where basically you search, you can basically check here the currencies that you can lend, and you can see the rates. Based on the rates, basically here what you have to do here, you compete with other people on the rates that you offer, okay, in return. So you give an amount and you compete with other people which can basically which they can basically lend money as you do as well, okay? And for example, if we take the USD dollar, okay, the average return per year is 27.96. and in 24 hours you have 87.23. So okay, it's a very good rate if you think about it. On more stable platforms, or let's say on more custodian platforms, and which are regulated by a lot of institutions, and where it's not like a free market for lending, you are not going to see this type of rates. Obviously this fluctuates all the time because people compete with each other how to lend and to whom to lend, okay? For ETH, let's see, where do we have it? Okay, we have 5.43%, which is not a great one. So this is another let's say another aspect of Bitfinex, another tool from them that you can use and for which you can get pretty good results overall, okay? As you can see, you get some good results on some of the currencies, okay? For Japanese yens, 22.27, on Misigo 26.74. So pretty good rates. Now another platform where basically you can lend is Nexo, which is a custodian platform regulated by more institutions. Okay, so it's backed or insured by a bigger institution. And what you can see here, we have earned up to 12% on your idle assets, okay, which is a decent number. So if we are going to scroll down, what we can see here, okay, we can see the percentages in euro up to 12%, pounds 12%, USDT, which is basically US dollar, but in crypto 12%. So very, very good rates. Okay, these are stable rates. These don't go up and down. Okay, you just top up your account, and that's how it works. Okay, you top up with account, you have a minimum of 1,000, for example, euros here, and at the end of the year you will have an extra 120 euros. Okay, this is how this works. Pretty simple. And another good part about Nexo, you can earn dividends, 30% dividends from Nexo, which is again great. Okay, because if you buy the Nexo tokens, you will basically buy a stake in the company, right? You earn 30% dividends, obviously according to how much Nexo is in the platform. 70% they reinvest in the platform, into developing it and earning even more. Okay, it's a pretty good deal, we think. So these are the two platforms that we recommend for lending. Obviously there are many others out there, but these are the two ones that we recommend. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.